Join me as I challenge myself to boost my Shopify sales like never before in 2024. If you're an online business owner, you know how crucial it is to drive sales and grow your revenue. With millions of active Shopify stores out there, the competition is fierce, and it's getting harder to stand out from the crowd. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to explore some actionable strategies to help you increase your Shopify sales and take your business to the next level. Before I go any further, myself Sam and I would like to thank you for coming this far and listening this podcast. Feel free to like and subscribe YouTube channel eComHardy.com if you want to learn more about Shopify. One of the biggest challenges Shopify store owners face is competition. With so many similar products and services available, it's tough to differentiate yourself and attract customers. Another major hurdle is customer retention. It's not just about making a sale, it's about building a loyal customer base that will keep coming back for more. Additionally, many store owners struggle with creating an effective marketing strategy that drives real results. And let's not forget about the ever-changing algorithms and trends that can make it difficult to stay ahead of the game. Lastly, managing inventory, pricing, and shipping can be a logistical nightmare, taking up valuable time and resources that could be better spent on growing your business. Many Shopify store owners also struggle with creating engaging product listings that appeal to their target audience. They might not have the design skills or resources to create high-quality product images and videos, making it hard to showcase their products in the best light. They might also struggle with writing compelling product descriptions that speak to their customers' needs and pain points. And even if they do manage to create great listings, they might not be optimized for search, making it difficult for customers to find them. But despite these challenges, there is hope. With the right strategies and tools, you can overcome these obstacles and start driving more sales on Shopify. In the next section, we'll dive into some actionable strategies that you can start using today to boost your sales and grow your business. Optimizing your product listings is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to increase sales on Shopify. By creating high-quality product images and videos, you can showcase your products in the best light and make them more appealing to customers. Writing compelling product descriptions that speak to your customers' needs and pain points can also help to increase conversions. Additionally, making sure your listings are optimized for search can help more customers find your products. Leveraging social media is another great way to drive sales on Shopify. By creating engaging content and ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can reach new customers and drive traffic to your store. And using email marketing campaigns can help you nurture leads and encourage repeat business. Using email marketing campaigns can also help you to build a loyal customer base by offering exclusive discounts and promotions. By segmenting your email list and targeting specific groups of customers, you can increase the effectiveness of your campaigns and drive more sales. Another strategy is to use customer reviews and testimonials to build social proof and credibility. By showcasing positive reviews and ratings on your product listings, you can increase trust and conversions. And by offering loyalty programs and rewards, you can incentivize customers to make repeat purchases and become brand advocates. One strategy that has proven to significantly increase sales on Shopify is using upselling and cross-selling tactics. By offering complementary products or upgraded versions of products, you can increase the average order value and drive more revenue. For example, if a customer is buying a pair of shoes, you could offer a discount on a matching handbag or belt. Or if they're buying a camera, you could offer a bundle deal on accessories like lenses or tripods. By doing so, you can increase the average order value and drive more sales. One great example of this is a Shopify store that sells outdoor gear and equipment. They offer a bundle deal on camping equipment, including a tent, sleeping bag, and backpack. By packaging these products together, they've increased the average order value and driven more sales. Another example is a fashion brand that offers a complete the look feature on their product listings. They suggest complementary products that go well with the item the customer is viewing, increasing the chances of them adding more items to their cart. In conclusion, driving sales on Shopify requires a combination of effective marketing strategies, optimized product listings, and a deep understanding of your target audience. By implementing the strategies we've discussed in this video, you can increase conversions, build a loyal customer base, and take your business to the next level. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your own sales strategies and tips. And if you want to learn more about Shopify marketing tips, be sure to check out my next video. Subscribe this channel and visit ecomhardy.com for free tools for e-commerce success.